Hello viewer, welcome to my channel again. Today in this tutorial I'm showing you how you can resolve the issue when you try to start a virtual machine and it's failed. The solution is very simple, so in this video tutorial I'm just going to show you how we can resolve it. Now let's see what type of error we receive. I'm just going to start my one virtual machine, and if you see the recent tasks once is failed, so let's try again and see what type of error we will get. So you see that failed to power on virtual machine, the time operation cannot perform in the current state. That's a power off. So how to resolve it? The solution is very simple. So what we need to do is first we need to go to the storage. First we need to unregister our virtual machine, and then we need to go to our data store in storage. It's take a while to load the page, please have patience. Okay, now it's loaded. Now go to the location where you have saved your virtual machine configuration file. So this is my folder, so let's dig into this folder. So I'm going to browse my server folder, and there you can see a VMX file which is a configuration file. So just right click on this and register this VM again and close it, and then try to power on this virtual machine again. And see, now this time this is gonna to run. So this is how a very simple solution for the issue. Sometimes you feel very strange that what happened to my VM. So you can give a try to your virtual machine which is just failed to start. You see, now my virtual machine is running. So thank you for watching this video tutorial. I hope you like this video tutorial. Please do like, share and subscribe my channels, and have a nice day. Thank you so much.